us breathtaking views, but it also means enjoying a just to step outside.
As a cheap chihuahua is blessed with tiny bladders, struggles to navigate endless hallways without me, turning me into their royal chauffeur. Trust me, carrying these 5-pound furries is harder than getting all your groceries in one trip. And when we finally braved the great outdoors, Ruben and Potato acted as a perfect adventure and retreat to their orange area. That's where Doggy